This is Novotel Shop iChannel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us grow. For more breaking news, please visit our website www.novotel10shopi.co.za. Hey, tada! This is Novotel Shop iChannel. We are here at Orlando Amstel Arena. Orlando Pirates 2, Devon City 1. Put on.
Yes, right, Wena.
Sharp, thanks, man.
Yeah, sharp. What an interesting game. First half,
Yeah.
We dominated, but not where we wanted to, because Laban Lava we were overloaded in midfield.
Oh, yeah.
And then they were pushing us sideways.
Yeah.
They were forcing us to play crosses, which the crosses didn't work because we couldn't find our marksman who was supposed to finish.
Yeah.
So we tried with Masizama Futubuya in the middle. We did not have a playmaker who can distribute the ball, or a 10 who plays like really to Alentuzan, Ahlokoloze laphayana. And for an example, if you ngabubonile Pirates iswitcha umbatha no dancing bayo collect ibhola bakhuphuka bathola manje labajida lafaka ama player ayi3 phakathi ba forced now to move sideways. When you move sideways, immediately the ball goes sideways. These people were creating a wall everywhere we were going. It was a wall, so we could not play per se. But now second half, the same thing. If you can see, Pirates was dominating, holding the ball, but not able to go into the final third. And every time we went into the final third, we missed our chances. Now go to extra time. Extra time, Devon City just packed the bus, literally, because now they knew we were going to come with them.
But goalkeeper,
goalkeeper, and they didn't have the depth in the squad to match what we were coming at to them. Minimum bengithi uzoba ne game difference uSerino, but Serino didn't have that effect, and ugcina thole yellow card bagcina bamkhipha ngoba yamazi ukuthi uyinhliziyo unonhliziyo encane. So all round game Devon City, I don't know ukuthi if at all Devon City always when they come to Orlando Pirates baza ngokupaka ibhasi or because they don't play football.
But I think first half they came for you first half.
No. They moved. Look, they moved the ball, and immediately Maba move the ball. Maba loser. They went behind the ball.
You know why?
Why?
They got the red card. So Basho.
Yeah. No. But they could play us pound to pound with that one man missing. Because remember now, the striker was Fagile. Morris. The guy false 9. Whereby Maba petty ball should be a drop. Because they knew the numbers are missing. So yes, I can ngavumelana now, but into mina engirealizile ngabo ukuthi manje kusho ukuthi mabafika Orlando always they have to pack the bus. Yes, the goal was beautiful because if flop libe kuphi it became njengoba bakhiphe ulentuzana nge-injury uSibisi bafaka lentwana le i-communication left back, the centre back, left. I don't know why. Because ngone undaba alibele shoutana no Muremi, ukuthi Muremi must come back. And which Muremi was not able to come back because bekamele second ball masithola sikwazi ukumnika ayenze umsebenzi wakhe ayephambili. So the overall game was it was a technical game because Devon City also knew ukuthi angeke siye kulabantu wansaya savula la isuswini bazosibulala
exactly
ngombatha bazosibulala ngombatha basibulale nalentwana udancing. Although ama pivot, but ama pivot which are smart, who know how to even to attack, who knows even how to score goals out of the D-line. So that's why we were going to sondele with D-line. But now Titema Sitol in the D-line, we could not utilize it because I'm shy like
exactly.
And the final is I'm shy, so that no man angasniga ma loose ball. But that keeper was smart because any ball I'm shy, because we also knew Masim Shy once the ball will move, one of our strikers could score.
Thanks, Puti. Congratulations and all the best.
No, thank you so much, Puti.